What is type conversion, typecasting in Python? Imagine you have a box of different items, and you want to change some of those items into a different shape or size to fit better. In Python, this idea is called type conversion or typecasting. It means changing the data type of a value from one type to another. This is important because Python needs to know what kind of data it is working with to perform certain operations. For example, you can't add a number to a word unless you convert one of them so they match. There are two main ways Python handles this. The first is called implicit type conversion. This happens automatically when Python sees a situation where it can safely change one data type into another without losing information. For example, if you add an integer, which is a whole number, and a floating point number, which has decimal points, Python will turn the integer into a float so both can be added together. So, if you have the number 123 and the number 1.23, Python will convert 123 into 123.0 before adding, giving you 120 for 0.23. The second way is explicit type conversion, also known as typecasting. This is when you tell Python exactly what you want to do. You use built-in functions like int, flow, str, and bool to change data types yourself. For example, if you have a string that says 10 and you want to add it to the number 10, you need to convert that string into a number first. You do this by writing int 10. Now Python treats 10 as the number 10, and you can add them together to get 20. Type conversion is used all the time in real life. Think about when you input data into a program. If someone types a number into a form, it comes in as a string. To do calculations, you need to turn that string into a number using typecasting. When you want to show a number as part of a message, you might convert it back to a string. It's good to remember that Python can't always convert between every type. For example, you can't turn complex numbers into integers or floats. Also, when converting from a float to an integer, you might lose the decimal part. So, 3.99 becomes 3 when you cast it to an integer. Understanding how to change data types with type conversion helps you write programs that work smoothly with different kinds of data. It makes your code more flexible and prevents errors when working with variables and operators.